Good evening, YouTube. Hope everybody is staying well and healthy through this situation. Hey, I just learned something, so I wanted to share this really quickly. For those of us who are makers, those of us who have printers that are idle or that you can divert their capacity to, we can help. MatterHackers has created this website. You can get to it real easy by just going to Google and typing in MatterHackers COVID, and then this first site that comes up, COVID-19 MatterHackers. They have an awesome page where they've created a response hub, and you can scroll down, and if you're a maker, you have the ability to print supplies. You click on this. If you're an entity who is in need of supplies, then you click on this down here. So what I did is I went here and clicked on this, clicked here, and it brings up a registration form. Ask questions like the amount of printers you have, how many technicians you have, what your capacity is, the materials you are able to print with. But the great thing is this allows them to connect us, those of us who can make, with those of us who are in need. So I just wanted to make this quick video. It was pretty exciting to me to learn that as a maker I can help this situation as best as I can. So hope everybody's staying well. Stay safe. Thank you for watching. Spread the word.